Today, we're diving into the Deco Gear DGVIEW490, a 49-inch curved ultra-wide gaming monitor that promises to revolutionize your gaming and work experience. With its immersive 32:9 aspect ratio and a crisp 3840 by 1080 resolution, this monitor eliminates the need for multiple displays, offering a seamless and aesthetically pleasing curved edge that's sure to catch your eye. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, the DGVIEW490 caters to both worlds. The 1800R curved screen provides enhanced comfort and focus, reducing eye strain during long sessions. The LED screen boasts 16.7 million vivid colors, delivering a visually stunning experience for both work and play. But the experience doesn't stop there. The included mechanical keyboard is a standout feature, equipped with Cherry MX red switches for that satisfying, accurate, and speedy keystroke. With 104 keys in total, it's a versatile tool for gamers and professionals alike. The linear style switch, combined with a 45-gram activation force, ensures rapid keypress registry. In terms of functionality, the keyboard features full anti-ghosting technology, guaranteeing that every keypress is registered accurately. This is a game-changer for gamers and a productivity booster for professionals, minimizing typing errors and ensuring precision during intense gaming sessions. In conclusion, the Deco Gear DGVIEW490 offers a superior ultra-wide gaming and working experience, combining a stunning curved monitor with a top-notch mechanical keyboard. If you're looking to upgrade your setup and immerse yourself in the big time, the DGVIEW490 is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.